One rooftop has become a skyline. One KU campus has grown into many. One student body has multiplied, diversified, embraced greater challenges, reached greater heights, explored and enhanced every corner of their fields, the state, and the world. This legacy of expansion and ambition thrives with the right guidance and a clear vision. Responsibilities that Douglas A. Girod stands ready to embrace.
It's certainly very humbling to step into this role and to follow the 17 incredible leaders that have preceded me in this. As we've been able to get out around the state and really now around the country, really the Jayhawk Nation is phenomenally welcoming. As we focus the next couple of years, I really want to focus on our student experience. I want to focus on our outreach, and in particular the state, but broader than that, and then continuing to grow our research engine here at the university. I really want to see KU reach its full potential, which is to be the destination for the best and the brightest students and the best and brightest scholars. It's a very exciting time for the university, thanks to the work of Bernadette Gray-Lettle, my predecessor. There's so many phenomenal things going on, and I discover something new almost every single day about KU. That's really what makes coming to work every day really exciting. There's no place like it.